somewhere in Lamplok jungle. Trying to capture the sun for you guys. Let's have a look. Okay. There's a big stone wall in the way. There we go. Wow, that's heavy. Let's see if we can go further up and get a better view of the waterfall. Lamplok. Maybe go up this way. But be careful of snakes up here because I'm on my own now. Okay. Here we go. Oh. Looks like the way. Oh, perfect. Wow, this never used to be this deep. I remember because I came here before. Look at that. I don't know if we should risk it. Looks a bit slippery, but I want to get the shot for you guys. I want you guys to have a look. Whoa. So yeah. I've come from up here, and I don't think I'm going to go any further, to be fair. Mate, I felt the power of the current when I was swimming down at the bottom. That's not something that I can swim against. That's so heavy, man. But yeah, it's beautiful. Look at that. Sunset in about, what's the time now? In about half hour. Yeah. Traverse my way across this. Hey. It's a lot more terrain fight than it looks on camera, believe me. I've got a beautiful spot of sun there. And we're going to climb up this way this time. Yeah, so this is one of my favourite local spots, especially when the water's down, because it's just so nice. It's beautiful. And it's peaceful. Like, really peaceful. See behind? It's not flat, and this bit drops down. You can't see it on camera properly, man. And I've come from down there. We traversed up. How am I going to get across? Alright, we'll just do it this way. Hope there's no snakes down here. Wow. Or spiders. I see a spider there. Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Here we go. Here's the beach. Okay. Not sunset just yet, but you get the picture. Yeah, beautiful day out. This is around 35 minutes from our home. So we usually come out here, but it's been flooding so much that the current is really strong behind. I don't know if you can see that. It's really strong and it's really cool. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. This concludes the daily broadcast. Cheers guys.